Hello everyone, welcome to my new vlog. Today I am at Pinewood School. There is a maths exhibition is going on here today. Let us ask the children some questions about exhibitions. Let us start at first. Which class do you read better? Fifth. What is your model? This.
Shapes and its depth.
Please tell me something about this model.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
I study in class 5th. My maths project is shapes and its welcome to these shapes and its definitions. First, I introduced a circle. Circle has no corner and has no sides. Second, I introduced to oval. Oval has no corner and no sides. Third, I introduced to square. Square has four corners and has four sides. I introduced to fourth is triangle has three corners and three sides. Fifth, I introduced to rectangle. Rectangle has four corners and has length and breadth. Thank you.
Okay, beta. Thanks. What is your good name, please?
Good morning, sir. My name is Harshi Sarwal. I am from class 5th. Today I am presenting my maths project, which is about measurement. The largest unit of measurement is kilogram, and
Yes.
the smallest unit of measurement to measure the mass is milligram. Then we will go upstairs. We should multiply by 10 in each, and then we will go downstairs. We should divide it by 10 in each. Now please tell me, sir, to change one unit.
Okay, beta. Thanks.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Myself, Arushi Arya. I am here to presenting my maths project. This is my LCM project.
This is
my LCM.
lowest common multiple LCM. अच्छा हाँ. Something about this project, beta.
From this project, we have to find out LCM very easily. We have to get LCM of 12 and 15. So first, this is scale. And then from this scale we have to under this holes. These are 12 and 15 table because of we have to find out LCM of 12 and 15. So
LCM of 12 and 15 is
60.
12 and 15 LCM is
12 and 15 LCM is 60.
60. Yes, beta. Right. Thanks. Okay. And your project? What is your project? Which class do you read?
Good morning, sir. Myself Palakrushi from class 6. Today I am here to present my maths project. My maths project is LCM project. LCM finder. LCM finder is used for finding LCM. First we count the table of 12 and 15, which is the same digit in the table of 15 and 12 is the LCM.
What is your project? Acute angle. What is acute angle?
Good morning, sir. Myself Geetika Rawat. I am studying from class 5th. I am present in maths project.
What is your project?
This is 3D
3D.
shapes and volumes.
3D shapes and volumes. What is the difference between 2D and 3D?
3D is third dimension, 2D is second dimension.
3D dimensional and 2D dimensional. 3D dimensional means length, breadth or height, and 2D dimensional length and breadth. So different types of shapes.
Yes, sir. This is square, this is hemisphere, this is cylinder, this is cube, this is cuboid, this is mushroom, this is cone, this is
All the
cylinder.
shapes are 3D and 2D.
3D.
Yes, all the shapes are 3D. Okay, thank you.
And this is a working model of mathematics. With the help of this model, we can calculate the number of square, such as 6 6 that 36.
Yes.
7 7 ja 47 का square 49.
49,
8 square 64, 9 square 81, and 10 square 100. 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, and 14
These
square
all numbers are natural numbers.
Yes,
And
sir.
natural numbers and its square. Okay, thanks, Karan.
Sir, this is
Bhagadwal,
volume
what is
of-
your project?
my project is a volume of cone. They are non-working project. I like to explain you.
Yes.
They are
Explain it.
They are amount of space. It occupies the 3 dimensions, or it have to measure is cube meters, cube feet, cube length, and the other factors of volume of cone are
Cone equal to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. R is the radius of base and h is height
height
of
space.
cone.
Of the distance to be the base of the vertex as the perpendicular height.
Okay, thanks.
This shows the total surface area of a cube. As you can see that a cube is made up of 6 square,
Yes,
like this. So its surface area will be equal to
6a square.
yes, 6 square equal to 6 squares. And this is the total surface area of a cylinder. A cylinder have 2 circles, so surface area of 2 circle, and its length will be rectangle's length will be equal to the circumference of circle. So length is 2 pi r and its width will be equal to the height, so 2 pi r h, and 2 pi r into h plus r will be the total surface area of a cylinder.
Okay, thanks. Yes. Niharika,
Yeah.
what is your project?
Law of indices.
Law of indices.
I made this because all questions when we are solving in maths बेस्ड ऑन लॉस. तो जो भी लॉस होते हैं वो हर एक क्वेश्चन में अप्लाई होते हैं, इसलिए हमें किसी भी क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने से पहले उसके लॉस सीखते होते हैं. तो मैंने लॉस इंडाइसिस बनाया है. जैसे इस इंडाइसिस में 8 लॉस होते हैं. तो इसका पहला लॉ है और ये वाले लॉ का मतलब होता है कि जो बेस के ऊपर जो भी पावर लगी होती है इसे इंडाइसिस कहते हैं. और ये पावर जब किसी होल के लिए होती है तो ये दोनों में होती है. जैसे और इसका एग्जाम्पल ये है
5 cos 6 square 25. Okay. Tell me something about this project, Garima.
Cuboid. This is cuboid. Its length is not equal. In general, vertex 12, edges 8, faces 6.
Cuboid. This cuboid is 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional. 3-dimensional shape.
Yes.
And next,
Cube.
Cube is also 3-dimensional shape. And next, you know what is the volume of cube?
Oh, a cube.
Side cube. Yes, a cube means side cube. ठीक है. This is
Prism. Triangular
prism.
prism.
हाँ,
A triangular pyramid.
triangular pyramid. हाँ,
जिसके अंदर कमियां रहती है सफेद कपड़ों में.
अच्छा.
Cone.
This one is
Cone.
cone. What is the volume of cone? 1 upon 3 pi r square h.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Shorty and Joker's
Birthday
cap.
cap.
हाँ,
ये
And-
cylinder.
अच्छा. Cylinder. Cylinder is 2D shape and 3D shape.
3D shape.
3D shape, 3-dimensional and 2-dimensional. ठीक है. तो 3-dimensional shape cylinder. चलो, okay. Something about your project. Please tell me something about your project. Explain it.
Equilateral triangle has
Equilateral triangles has
3 equal sides.
हाँ,
ये तीनों इक्वल हो गई.
हाँ,
आइसोसेलेस में 2 इक्वल साइड होती है,
yes,
तो ये 2 इक्वल साइड हो गई. ये
2
दोनों
equal.
ये अलग हो गया.
हाँ. And opposite angles are also equal in isosceles triangle, and all angles are equal in equilateral triangles.
स्केलर ट्रायंगल.
Scale triangles, no side is equal. कोई भी साइड इक्वल नहीं होगी ना.
एक्यूट एंगल में तीनों एंगल
One of the angle is 90 degree,
90 से छोटे होंगे
less than 90.
और इसमें एक होगा 90
90 means right angle.
और ऑपोजिट में 1 एंगल.
ठीक. यहाँ पूछ लिया था, इधर नहीं पूछा ना. Which class do you read, बेटा? 5th. What is your name?
दक्षिणा.
Dakshita. Something about your project. Please tell me.
Sir, it is the tell about multiplication. Let's tell about multiplication and table.
tables.
Yes.
And your
Multiplication box.
multiplication box. अच्छा. Your project is
Squares.
square. Okay. And this one?
So place value chart.
Huh?
Place value chart.
Place value chart. अच्छा. Please tell me something about your project.
Types of angle.
Yes.
There are 6 angles. Acute angle are less than 90 degree is called acute angle. The angle is 90 degree is called right angle. The angle is above 90 and less than 180 is obtuse angle.
Obtuse.
The angle is 180 degree is straight angle. The angle is less than 360 degree and greater than 180 degree is called reflexive angle.
Reflection.
Complete angle 360 degree
Yeah.
angle is called complete angle.
मतलब circle. And
It is circle, parts of circle, diameter,
diameter,
radius,
radius.
chord,
Chord. This is tangent. This is tangent.
tangent.
And this one?
Sir, factor 3 to find out LCM.
अच्छा.
24.
LCM means least common multiple. The full form of LCM means least common multiple. Yes.
It is Pythagorean theorem. A की power 2 plus B power 2 equals C power 2. Then 3 की power 2 plus 4 की power 2 equals 5 की power 2. 2 और 3 plus 5
5.
is 9 plus 16 equals 25.
25. Okay, beta. Thank you. Jai Baba.